Look. Yeah, babe, that's so fun. Oh, honey. Alright, team, should we go inside? Should we go inside or see all these cool? We're checking it. Poking it. This one doesn't seem to be doing that though, does she? Whoa. Oh no. Oh, it's gonna hurt my foot. Okay, here. Get on film. Here we go. Oh no. It's humping my foot. Oh. It tickles. It tickles. It tickles. Justin, can you grab her? Can you grab her? Get it off my foot. Huh? Get off my foot.
Shake it off.
Frog humping my foot. It's okay, Kaya. He's just dominating me. Okay, so we get off on that. Cute. What's it doing?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I want to film this. It's so cute. Oh, she's not doing it anymore. Oh my gosh, is that okay if I film?
Oh yeah.
Pigs, I'm sorry. I just
I'm
barely
Charlie.
meet you when I'm filming. I'm Jamie.
Oh,
yeah,
no,
nice
that's
dad.
it.
Great.
Yeah.
This is.
It's good to meet you.
Yeah.
I've been in transmission world this morning.
Yeah, I was hoping to meet the little guy too.
Yeah. Yep,
Who's,
they're still up in Asheville. Mariah and Coda Joe's up in Asheville.
What's your son's name?
Coda Joe.
Coda Joe.
Maya Coda is his name, but
Maya
we call him
Coda.
Coda Joe.
That's really cool. I like that name.
It's not affectionate. It's like, dude, there's some food up here.
He probably likes it though. He's
He
like,
probably did it to her too. Because the
Like-
way we got the setup, they get so close that it'll dump right on their face.
Yeah, they don't even care if you get it into their eyes, man. They're like, whatever. Just feed.
sounds like me. Food. Kaya especially, she'll like rubber butter all over her head and into her eyes, and we'd fit in well with these.
How you doing, babe?
Peas and chicken, so many animals. Hi, puppy. You. That kitty really likes you, huh? Can't believe how much that kitty likes you. How did your mom decide on? Sweet girl. I'm filming this for a second. It's so cute. I love how it looks in here. It's so cool. Just everything about it. And the such a great. Oh, thank you. The rock.
Allie, yeah, that's right. Got a band-aid on my finger. How about this one?
You got all those rocks, Kyle? Those are some pretty rocks.
Yeah.
What'd she say?
Owie.
There's a band-aid on my finger. She said Allie.
She reminds me of E.T. She's like he's like, ouch, ouch, or something. I can't do exactly. Remember? He's like somebody gets an ouch, and he's so obsessed with ouch. He's like trying to heal it, you know.
I should probably watch that again. I don't even really remember the plot of that.
It's gonna walk.
I just watched it recently with her. She liked it.
Yeah.
Wow, you are exhausted, little one.
They just keep going.
Is that yours?
She learned that from one of her little friends. Everything is mine.
You want the monkey? The monkey bear?
Monkey bear. She calls it a monkey bear because I told her it's a bear, but she likes say it's a monkey too and go ooh ah ah. So we decided it's a monkey bear.
What do you want me to do? Hug? Hug?
Hug.
Wow.
What?
She just looked like she got so frustrated, like.
I'm not sure what she was doing. She was just
maybe when she was yawning.
yeah, like with her hair or something. I don't know what she was suggesting. Gonna do some drum, baby? Yeah. Look at this pretty garden we're in, honey. Look how pretty. So pretty. Yeah, dirty? It's okay. Little picture. Yeah, more. Let's draw some stuff. Draw a square, triangle, circle. Yeah, it's dirty. Dirty, huh? It got all dirty. Get your hair back. Put it on that side like that. Put your hair over.
This done? Not? Yeah. Done this. Done this.
There you go, color. Orange?
Yeah.
Orange. Purple.
Yeah. No, Mama.
What's your mommy? Get your mommy. You wanna go play with the trucks? Go see the trucks. Look at the dinosaur in the sandbox. Look at all that. Wanna play in there? No? Not here. Covering the face. Go see the garden with Justin? Go show him?
No.
No?
No, Daddy.